Have you ever thought about transforming your shaded spaces into lush retreats? Imagine a world where moss gardens thrive, bringing a unique beauty and tranquility to any space. These gardens are more than just a collection of plants. They're a testament to nature's resilience, flourishing even in the most shaded corners. Picture a serene hideaway, full of lush greenery, right in your own backyard. Intrigued? If so, then you're in the right place to learn more about the magic of moss gardens. You might be wondering, why moss gardens? Well, there's a myriad of reasons. Moss gardens are low maintenance, requiring minimal care, and they're excellent at retaining water. This makes them an eco-friendly choice, reducing water usage significantly. Plus, these lush green carpets contribute to biodiversity, offering habitats to beneficial insects. Moss gardens can transform a shaded, underused space into a vibrant, thriving retreat. It's like having a slice of the ancient forest right in your backyard. Indeed, moss gardens are not just beautiful, they're beneficial too. Now you might be thinking, how do I create my own moss garden? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start by picking out the right moss species for your space. Consider the amount of sunlight, moisture, and the type of soil in your garden. Next, prepare the area by removing any debris and ensuring the soil is compact. Now it's time to plant your moss. Lay it out, press it down, and give it a good watering. Remember, moss loves water. Regular care and maintenance are key, so keep it moist and free from leaf debris. Dealing with challenges? Don't worry about pests. Moss is naturally resistant, and for extreme weather conditions, consider adding a protective layer of straw or burlap. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating a lush moss garden. Moss gardens are truly a magical way to transform any shaded space. To recap, they're not just stunning, but also beneficial to our environment. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!